Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. What is up? It is 2021. I can't believe it. Time flies. I was gonna say when you're having fun, but 2020 wasn't fun. So it kind of was kind of a shit show, right? Happy New Year, everybody. I hope this year brings everyone nothing but love, joy, happiness, anything that your heart desires. Today, as the title of the video, I'm going to be doing, oh gosh, my hair looks like flat. I'm sorry if I look like, I don't know, I'm not having great hair days lately. Today's better than most, but we'll see. Still kind of a little wet. But as you can tell by the video, I don't want to show my nails are so bad. This one needs the most help. I just broke a nail. I almost made it to the video with all the nails still intact, but I had to cut it because I actually ended up, I jammed it or whatever, and I bent my nail and then it started coming off, but it wasn't all the way, so it is what it is. I have to cut it. But today I'm going to be pretty much getting myself a manicure. I'm going to be removing these bad boys that I got from my, I redid this, so funny story time real quick. So I already tried filming this video once before, okay? This is what they look like before. This is what they look like before, right? Okay. And so when I was recording, because I have a drill, and I was gonna actually fill them myself. My nail girl is fire. Her name is Keisha. Her at below. But I redid these, so they looked like they were long too, and I cut them down. And so, you know, I was gonna give myself a fill. I go to get my stuff together. I'm literally filming, and I'm giving myself a fill. I go to lay down the powder, and it's not working. Like, it's just flaking off. Come to find out, my products went bad. So I'm in the process of replacing all that because I am trying to practice acrylic nails. So this is the start of my journey. Yay! Series 1, part 1, episode 1 of my acrylic nails. You guys are gonna watch me learn and teach myself here on YouTube because I am in no way a professional at this stuff. I'm just a lover of all things beauty, and nails has always been one of my, you know, things that I've wanted to do. So enough talking, let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything, and I'm gonna show you the whole process as I do them. I'm really sorry if it's shaky. I didn't realize I didn't have my clip for my ring light, so I have to film in this way. Hope you guys don't mind it too much. I'm gonna try and show you as much as I can. So yeah, so the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna trim these down. Okay, that was so hard, but I got all of the old acrylic off, and I know these look really bad. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna continue with the next step, which is I'm gonna use my drill here to buff them out and make them even. You in no way need a drill, by the way. If you know, I mean, we're in quarantine right now, so I'm sure a lot of girls have had like their sets, you know, for a long time. Like me, I got my nails done like December 3rd, and I'm just now taking them off. Everything went on lockdown, as everyone knows. So yeah, you do not need a drill. I have a drill because like I said, I wanted to practice doing my own acrylic nails. So you can just use like a regular like nail buffer and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I got them all drilled down and no more acrylic. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to file them to my desired shape. I'm going to attempt to do like kind of like a round, almost like almond shape. Some of them are broken, like you can tell here. When I pulled the acrylic, it broke. This one's really flimsy, so I won't have that whole nail. But we're going to see what we can do. Alright, so I've officially finished my hand on the side, so you can see I did like an almond shape. Now time to work on this side. I'll be back. Alright, now that we got them all clean and ready to go, I'm gonna buff them and then we'll put polish on. Okay, so I won't lie, it's a different day. It's the next day. What happened was I was painting my nails and the color that I had just wasn't working. So today I'm gonna be going in with this color now. It is Mindful Meditation 071. Those are all clean. Alright, this one probably doesn't look as good as this one, but this is the finished result. So this is the final result. They're not perfect. I had acrylic for like a month and a half and my nails were just, you know. Yeah, so this is after 2 coats. I have a little bit around the sides that I'm going to clean up once it's fully dry, but they're not perfect. My natural nails are pretty fragile right now because they did have acrylic. No matter what, acrylic is going to weaken your nails, so that's my, oops, that was my left. This is my right hand. 2 coats on there as well. This one's even worse than my other one because I had to do it with my left and I'm right-handed, so yeah. But not bad. Not bad for at home, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. This was my at-home manicure. Couldn't remember what it was called for a second there. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please like this video, please comment, share, subscribe. I know it's been a while, but I am back. Yay! Tell me if you guys would like to see anything specific. I have a lot of different ideas, a lot of things I want to do, so I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much again. Bye.